Good day! Yes, this is your man, MacB Crypto, basta blockchain, e-pulse chain. So for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng isang video tutorial kung paano bumili ng isang pulse coin gamit ang iyong GCash. So what's till the end? As gagawin natin to pamamagitan ng ating GCash app gamit din ang isang app which is ang Internet Money Wallet. So again guys, you need to have a GCash account, GCash wallet for that matter, and you need to have the Internet Money Wallet. Ito ay isang wallet na practically will be used for Pulse Chain and other chain for that matter. It's a multi-chain wallet. But it is a wallet for the Pulse Chain ecosystem. So, no rug this time. So, what's till the end? Again, this is your man, MacB Crypto. So guys, nandito na tayo sa ating GCash app. So, load muna natin siya. And boom! Here we are. So dito, gawin muna natin is kailangan muna natin i-click yung view all. Again guys, just to remind you, dapat level 3 na yung ating GCash app para magapit natin yung ating G-Crypto. So click natin yung G-Crypto. So hintayin muna natin na mag-load yung ating G-Crypto which is powered by PDAX. Hello PDAX! Sana naman malis natin yung ating Pulse coin. So guys, nandito na tayo. Click natin yung top up. So for example, for this video, for this tutorial, we'll be using the amount of 1,000. So click natin yan, yung continue. Then pay. And yun. Then, click natin yung done. And sabi niya, thank you for using GCash. Okay, click. Now ngayon, go back to G-Crypto. Click natin yung, hanapin natin guys, itong BNB coin. Then, buy. Enter the amount of 1K. Then, automatic na yung G-Crypto natin, app, is magka-count na siya kung magkanong yung equivalent ng 1,000 worth of BNB. So, dito, 0.026. So, dapat meron lang siyang ilang seconds na magka-code. Click natin yung buy BNB. And yun guys, nakabili na tayo ng BNB coin. So just click again back to G-Crypto. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is ating isi-send yung ating BNB coin from GCash to Internet Money Wallet. So paano to gawin? Just click send. And punta tayo guys dun sa ating Internet Money Wallet. So, click muna natin itong networks nasa baba. Click muna natin itong Binance Smart Chain. Click yes. Click wallet. Click natin itong address na ito. Then, click natin itong wallet na yan. Balik tayo sa ating GCash. I-paste natin dito. Click yung green button na yan. Allow paste. So, click natin yan. Then, click max. And, tick that checkbox sa baba and click send. Hintayin muna natin na mag-process yung ating network. At syempre, mayroong email na lalabas. So dito, ito yung ating email. So check muna natin guys. So sa ating email, check muna natin. Double check natin. Then click submit. And we are processing your request. So, ayan guys, click natin yung back to Gcrypto. And hintayin muna natin na mag-process yung ating transaction sa BNB blockchain. So ngayon, punta tayo dito sa ating internet money wallet. So you just have to click refresh button. Ayun, nandito na guys. Nandito na agad yung ating BNB. Nakita niyan? So that easy. So gawin naman natin ngayon guys is i-convert natin yung ating BNB to PLS coin or yung Pulse coin. So click natin yung buy, click natin yung change. Gawin lang natin is napaka-simple lang. So kung nakikita nito, click just max amount. Click nito tong nasa second na baba. And click yung pulse, click yung max. So click mo natin to, click natin yung max. And click next. And slide it to your right when facing the cell phone. So, nakalagay dyan, transaction submitted. So, check lang natin if nandyan na itong ating, click natin yung back button, click natin yung transaction, and nakikita nyo nasa taas, right? Ito, change BNB to Pulse. So, hintayin muna natin na mag-process yung ating transaction. So, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4 na process. So, ngayon, it's nakalagay dito, awaiting deposit. And susunod yan is yung confirming. Ayun. Let's try to confirm. And it's gonna be changing now into PLS. So, hintayin natin yung process while waiting. So, ganun ang proseso na mangyayari. So, guys, pakita natin after itong change of token. Yun, changing na. And after ng changing, it's gonna be sending. So, ganun siya, napaka-easy at napaka-bilis kung ito yung gagawin nating route of going into the PLS ecosystem is bibili tayo ng gamit yung BNB or yung BNB coin from the Binance Smart Chain. Gamit lang yung ating GCash, which is very notable na ginagamit mostly Pinoys of having transaction of this e-wallet. So ngayon guys, hintayin na natin. Then after dito, it will be sending to your PLS na wallet na. So hintayin na natin yung proseso while waiting. Ito yung isa sa napakagandang gawin natin of changing BNB to Pulse. So just imagine at the comfort of your home, just using this app, using this technology of doing transaction over the blockchain and to other blockchains for that matter using the internet money wallet app. So ngayon, ito yung napakagandang proseso na kaya natin gawin. At sa isa o dalawang app, tapos na yung ating pagpunta sa PLS blockchain. So ngayon guys, makikita natin to click muna natin to. Click natin yung networks, click natin yung pulse chain, and makikita natin to na nandoon na yung ating nabili na pulse coin gamit ang GCash BNB coin to pulse chain. Click na sa transaction. Binance Smart Chain. At ngayon guys, it's gonna be sent to your wallet doon nasa pulse chain. See the magic unfold as we are doing this on a straight, walang cut na recording. So mapakikita lang natin yung isang proseso na napaka-easy at pinaka-practical na gawin natin at least dito sa Pilipinas gamit lang ang GCash na app at yung internet money wallet. So hintayin muna natin na talagang papasok na siya at meron siyang successful na pwedeng mailagay dito sa app which is the internet money wallet na app. So this is a no holds bar na transaction, no cuts, just to let people know kung paano gawin ang prosesong ito. Sa mga susunod na video, pwede natin pailitin na for web browsing din. So yun guys, nakita natin, nakasend na. So click natin yung back, click natin yung networks, click natin yung pulse chain, click yes, click wallet, and let the load. Click natin tong MM. So nandito na siya guys. Again, thank you for watching.